Fran the frog. Fran is a frog. Fran is a grump. Fran has a pink frock. Fran sits on a big black block on top of a rock on the globe. Fran had a pluck of the green grass in the brick. A bell rang in the wind. Fran had a flap, and a green glob landed on her frock. Fran was in a sulk and a grump. The green blob was a mess on her frock. Frank's fat cat, Plax, had a long red rag. Plax was quick and went quack. Plax began to help Fran, and in a grab, with a bit of a quiz, the blob was gone. Fran in her pink frock and Plax in her red rag were glad. With a jump, Fran and Plax were on the bunk bed, not sad, but glad. They got in their socks and had a long wink.
Time to quit,
said Plax. A long nap and the sun was up. Fran had a blink. Plax had a squint. A blink and a squint. A look at her frock, and Fran was queen again.